Welcome to XPEXcoin, best Bitcoin and cryptocurrency theme. Opal team. Whether you own a crypto mining farm or launch finances and business consulting, excellent solution for cryptocurrency webs. The most favorite is one-click installation. It allows to import all your pre-made content, home pages, plugins and CMS page to launch project in minutes. Secondly, it is perfect SEO optimization and high conversion rate, high speed and better SEO for content page and downloading offline wallets. Next is 3 stages of ICO: before, during, and after. In token countdown, eye-catchy time countdown, visually roadmap/token sale timeline, explain the roadmap development of your website in many years. Excellent video presentation, the best way to advertise what you have and the best special on your website. A dedicated team and founder board. Next, it's shown out partners professionally. And here is tons of must-have Prevalent plugins. Save $60, Visual Composer, Slider Revolution and Contact Form 7 and others. Most interesting thing is ease to use Visual Composer. This is theme backend with tons of block builder and elements. XPEXcoin is built by Visual Composer. Follow us to add element for page specially. You can add, edit, delete, or even duplicate element at ease. Drag and drop element will let you build page in the smart way. An additional quick theme customizer allows to change everything from font family, font color, general setting, background, or layout, and so on. And now, it is the time you should spend to discover it. 02+ professional cryptocurrency home pages with modern design. Stunning slider with smooth effect and animation. Blockchain, digital currency evolution. Blockchain technology. Here is price comparison. Professional partners. Awesome team. The initial roadmap. Stunning advisory board. Latest blogs. Is the second home page's cryptocurrency. All document support. Explain XPEXcoin network professionally. Benefits you can get frequently asked questions. Other pages about it. Team page, how it work page, 3 styles for blog. Thanks for your watching. Opal team with love.